Before take and drop, extracting the first 5 or last 3 rows of dynamic array required index with complex row calculations. Now it's a single intuitive function. Take extracts a specified number of rows and or columns from the start or end of an array. Positive numbers take from the start, negative from the end. Take array 5 gets the first 5 rows. Drop removes rows and or columns from an array. Drop array 1 removes the first row, perfect for stripping headers. Drop array -2 removes the last 2 rows. Combine row and column arguments for precision. Take sort data 2-1 10 gives you the top 10 by the second column in one formula. Drop filter data criteria 0 1 filters then removes a column. These combinations create powerful one-line data queries. 5 practical examples. Top 10 products by revenue. Last 7 days of data. Removing header rows from imported data. Extracting specific column ranges and building a dynamic leaderboard that always shows the current leaders. Take and drop. Make array manipulation intuitive. Subscribe for more modern Excel function tutorials that replace old workarounds.